Good evening. Welcome to my daily program Anyone Can Trade. In this program, I look at Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stocks that caught my attention using very powerful yet simple technical analysis tools. And because these tools are simple, I believe anybody can do this and anyone can therefore trade. So today was the end of a good week for Nifty. Our STT trading system had gone long on the 19th of August and at I think around 11,460 levels, and today it is closed at around 11,655 odd levels, which is terrific for Nifty. There is nothing much to add other than the fact that almost the entire move in Nifty this week is clearly because of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has been the one outstanding performer which has driven this rally in Nifty. Otherwise, Nifty stocks by themselves have not done too much. This has been a truly outstanding week for Bank Nifty. It has ended almost 10% higher week on week, and that's a big thing for an index to do. So, you've seen a huge rally in Bank Nifty, and that has driven, as I said earlier, a rally in Nifty also. And what we are therefore seeing is clearly Bank Nifty has broken above these double tops that was formed around these levels. It has also taken support as at a double bottom which was formed here, taken support on this 50-day moving average, etc., and has gone up, and it's truly been an incredible rally. After the big day that we have seen today, I'm not sure that we'll have some kind of big rally again on Monday, but definitely this Bank Nifty is on an uptrend now. So we had talked about LIC Housing Finance yesterday. It had gone above this trend line, which was acting as a resistance, and I had said that it has closed up, and so there is a potential up move possible in LIC Housing Finance. It has done that today. It has broken above this high. So to me, it kind of confirms the break of this trend line, and it could possibly be headed higher. So why do I have SBI Life here? I mean, one obviously is that because it is fulfilling my setup, it had a rally and it has pulled back to this 89-day high-low band and the 50-day moving average and has closed up today. But it is also to highlight for anybody who has been viewing this channel for the last few days that in the last few days I have talked about ICICI Pru Life, I have talked about HDFC Pru Life. Almost all of them have similar charts as SBI Life. They have all pulled back after a rally. They've all pulled back, and now they've come to this 50-day moving average or the 89-day high-low band support, and from there it looks like there is a potential rally happening. So all three insurance companies showing the similar kind of pattern on their chart, so it's worth highlighting. I have put Siemens on the watch list, on my watch list for two reasons. One is, of course, it has come to this resistance line and is kind of moving around that area. The other reason is that this is forming some kind of flag pattern. So this is the pole of the flag, and this is a very narrow consolidation, which could be the flag itself, and typically flag patterns resolve by going up and breaking up beyond this trend line and moving up. So I thought it is worth to put Siemens on my watch list so that whenever the stock moves up and breaks the trend line, you will be aware. So it is there in our list of stocks to look at. Finally, I'm again talking of Shriram Transport Finance. We had talked about it yesterday or day before yesterday, and I had talked about the fact that there is this confluence of factors happening. The moving average, 50-day moving average is supporting it, and it has broken above the 89-day high-low band. And therefore, I had put it on the watch list, and today it has resolved that being on the watch list has helped us. So this is what it does. I have a set of stocks that we put on the watch list and expect a certain thing to happen. And if it is on the watch list, then you can, even before the end of day, if you are looking at the stocks and if you see you will be able to look at only a few set of stocks which are on your watch list and then take the trade accordingly. This serve the tide trading system is something that I've been talking about on my program for quite some time now, and this is something that I exclusively use for. I've been using this for a long time. I use this system itself to trade indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and then commodities like crude, gold, silver, and copper. So this is something that I am going to actually teach exactly the same system to in my program, which will be on 29th and 30th this month. So it's this coming Saturday, Sunday. It is only between 9:30 and 1:30. So with a gap in between. So 2 days of 4 hours each. If you're interested, do let me know. These four hours is enough for anybody to understand exactly what the trading system is all about and be able to trade it from the next day. The other thing that I do, which is very, very important, I think, is that which not too many people might be doing, is that I spend another 3 months actually highlighting the various trades that come as per that trading system, and even explaining the details of that system as and when the trades come. So that is something you will be a part of, whoever participates in this training program. The details are here. If you are interested, WhatsApp me and I'll give you my bank details. If you like what you saw and you want to be notified about our new videos, then please show your love by subscribing to our channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon too. Don't forget to visit www.themoneymojo.com for more on our training programs, podcasts and blogs.